Realme X7 Max 5G is the newly launched smartphone that comes with decent specifications and impressive features. This dual SIM phone allows you to use two SIMs at the same time. It features a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display that has 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The phone's screen has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection that will save it from scratches and breakage. The mobile comes with a 64MP primary camera with f/1.8 aperture, an 8MP ultra-wide camera with ultra-wide lens and f/2.5 aperture to make video calls and click some stunning selfies. It will be available in 3 storage variants: -8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage, 12GB of memory plus 256GB of storage. You will be able to store all your songs, videos, pictures, documents and other files without any space issues. The new entrant in the Realme smartphone family will run Realme A 2.0 based on the Android 11 operating system, so that you can have a clutter-free user experience. The Realme X6 is equipped with octa-core Mediatek Dimensity processor that would let you enjoy faster and lag-free performance while playing intensive graphics games or accessing multiple applications. Realme X7 Max 5G will come with numerous connectivity options like 5G supported by device, 4G, 3G, 2G, GPS, GLONASS, Baidu, Galileo, QZSS, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi Direct, Hotspot, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, and more. Smartphone is rumored to be launched in the country on May 31st, 2021. Realme X7 Max 5G price in India is likely to be Rs 29,999. The phone will be available in Asteroid Black, Mercury Silver, and Milky Way color options.